in today's video, I'm showing a weight loss green smoothie recipe. This smoothie is made with few very common and easily available ingredients and is very filling and effective towards weight management. So let's get started. Set up your blender and add a handful of spinach leaves. If you're able to get baby spinach leaves, then it's better. Spinach is a low-calorie food and an excellent source of dietary fiber. It lowers our calorie intake, thus helping with weight loss. Next, add half cup of green peas. I've taken frozen peas, however fresh can also be used. Green peas are rich in protein and fiber and help boost weight loss and digestion. They also contain a high amount of antioxidants, vitamin K, C and manganese. This is the main ingredient of this recipe and cannot be skipped. Next, I'm adding half cup of frozen strawberries. Feel free to add any variant of fresh or frozen berries available. Berries are low in calories, have high water content and packed with fiber and antioxidants. They help reduce fat, especially abdominal fat. Now I'm adding half banana. Banana will give a body to this smoothie. It is also rich in fiber that helps curb appetite. Next, to add some more protein and fiber to our smoothie, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, iron and calcium. To sweeten the smoothie, instead of unhealthy table sugar, add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. And in the end, add 1 cup of milk. Choose any milk, plant-based or dairy, depending on your preference. Now run the blender until you get a smoothie-like consistency. Now shift to a cup or a glass. In the end, sprinkle some more chia seeds on top and our weight loss green smoothie